In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. Understanding how to locate your undeposited funds is vital for anyone managing their business finances using QuickBooks, as it helps ensure accuracy in your records and transparency in your cash flow process. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the QuickBooks sign-in page. Once you're there, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This will bring up a prompt that will likely require you to choose from different QuickBooks options. Here, select QuickBooks Online as your choice. This is important because QuickBooks offers several products, and we want to make sure we're working within the correct environment. Next, you'll enter your login credentials. Type in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account, then click on Continue to proceed. This step ensures that you're securely logged into your account with access to all the necessary features and tools that QuickBooks Online offers. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to your QuickBooks Online homepage. From here, look towards the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Locate and click on the Transactions tab. This tab is essential because it's your access point to all your financial data, and it allows you to see transactions in multiple states, from pending to cleared. Once you're in the transactions area, it's time to focus your search. You're looking for undeposited funds specifically, so click on Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially a directory of all your financial accounts within QuickBooks and acts as your guide to managing your business transactions. By using it, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of your financial assets and liabilities. Within the chart of accounts, you'll need to utilize the search function to pinpoint the undeposited funds. Type undeposited funds into the search bar and click search. This narrows down the list to just what we are interested in, your undeposited funds, which have been recorded in QuickBooks but have not yet been added to any deposit. Finally, with the undeposited funds account now visible, click on View Register. This is where all details related to the undeposited funds will be displayed, allowing you to see every transaction listed under this category. Viewing the register gives you a clear picture of which payments are waiting to be deposited, helping you keep track of money that's still in transit and hasn't been moved into your main bank account. And there you have it. Following these steps will give you easy access to your undeposited funds, simplifying your bookkeeping process and improving financial transparency. If you need help with additional features in QuickBooks Online, leave a comment and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.